Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn about how to show the events that we have registered so far. So basically I have registered two events, one in the last video and one that I have done myself. So basically I have registered two events, so I have to populate it over here. So this video is all about this. Now let's get started. Basically I have created in the home screen, if you guys can see, I have events feed and the events I joined. So in this video we will be working on events I joined. So basically this is the part where we will be working. Okay, first of all we have to replace this section, the image and the name, with our image and our name. So first of all we have to grab, or we have to filter out our user document, right? So we have to write document snapshot, document docu document snapshot and my user and data controller. First of all we have to create a data controller instance over here, data controller, and get dot find. What to find? We have to find a data controller object. All right, and then data controller dot all users. So basically all users are the list that contain all users that are registered inside the app. So basically from these users I have to get the user that belongs to me. So this is first where, and we have to call e.id if this id is equal to my current id, instance dot current user dot uid. So any user that have uid that is equal to my id, so basically that user will be returned as my user document snapshot. Right, so we have to first of all show that. For this purpose I'm going to change the name. First it will be my user dot get and name. Maybe I think I have did it in a different manner, first name and last name. Let me see, users collection, and then I have first and last. So first, and then I have to do some string concatenations. Samakarashi, and here I have to change the from asset to the network. My user dot get what to get image. Yes, image. So yeah, this part is done. Now let's move toward the part that is basically showing all the events that we are registered. So for this I have to go toward the data controller class in order to filter from these events. In order to filter from these events, I will be getting those events in which I am registered. So I will be using a small query over here. First of all I'm going to create a list variable my or we can say joined events. This is going to a document snapshot, and also it will be observable type. So get get events, we have to check for the get events. Yeah, and here we have to filter all those events that is registered by my user. How we can do this is very simple. Just we have to call all events dot for each, right? And then we have to do some finding stuff over here. So first of all I will be looking for those events where I am registered. So how I have stored this information, if I can show you the events collection and one event. So all the user that has been registered or joined, their UIDs is inside joined list. So I have to get this joined list, and then I will check in this list either this list contain my UID or not. If it contains my UID, this means I have joined the event. If it not, so it's clear. So I have to show only those events where this list contain my UID. So how we can do this? Very simple. First of all, we have to get this list. So I'm going to name it list joined IDs. Okay, e dot get, sorry, e dot get. What is the field name? The field name is joined. J, right. So I have got get all the list from here, and then I have to return what, where joined IDs dot contains current user ID, where is all that current instance current user dot UID. So basically this is the query that did the job for us. And now let's give it a restart, so this function get executed once again. So okay, it is saying that something went wrong. Okay, we have to figure it out. Joined okay, I think I have did some mistake that was causing an issue. Let's restart it again. Yeah, again it is saying error. Okay, maybe it's kind of loading indicator error. Let's give it a restart. Okay, so basically I think this error is from the get users. Let me comment that and confirm this error. So yeah, I think this error is coming from the get users list. Okay, now let's fix this out. We have to uncomment this. Okay, so basically we have did work over here. Then the main error is happening right over there. My user, so it should be handled in a try catch block, so it not cause any error. String image, or we can say user image, assign with the empty variable try. Okay, this way. So we should avoid null values, and we have to do the same thing for the okay. Here we have to put that user image variable, and same for the name, user name. Okay, now let's give it a restart, and this time we will not get any issue. Okay, again I got the issue. Okay, I got it. I got it. So for this purpose, I think we have to add a loading indicator as well. Events I joined here. We have to add an observable obx, right? And then we have to paste this. So here I'm going to put a check that will restrict the view unless data has been loaded successfully. The check is variable is users loading. Initially it will be false. When this method is triggered, it will be true. And when we get the data over here, so we should make it false. So this is the case, I think. Okay, or here data controller dot, sorry, Hmm, let's find it over here. Data controller will be get dot find data controller dot is users loading dot value. This means if user is loading, then we just want to show center with circular progress indicator. That's it, guys. Hopefully this will work out this time. Let's give it a restart. So yeah, it worked that time because it have not showed any errors. So now let's populate this data. Hopefully you guys have understand how it works. Okay, so we have to add check over here as well. Sorry, yes, over here. So we will be showing only this list view when the list has been loaded successfully. Okay, now let's again do a check over here. Obx data controller dot is events loading dot value. If it's loaded successfully, then we just have to paste our widget, that is list view. Otherwise we have to show center child circular progress indicator. Hopefully this has been clear to you guys. Now let's get into the final one. So over here data controller dot event joined events dot length. So basically this is the list of events that I have joined, and I'm getting the length from the list. Now let's copy and use it there. So first of all, we are, as you guys can see, we are showing the name of the event, the date, and the user that they are joining, right? So let's first of all get the date, first of all get the name equal to events of I dot get, what we have to get, name, event name. Okay, I have created some issues over here. We have to put a comma. Sorry, I forgot it. Name is right over here. Now let's replace it. Okay, I think the list is empty. Now let's confirm whether the list contains data or not. Events, and then here I have to call. Okay. The mistake that I have made is I have just filtered the events, but I have not stored it in the events that I joined list. So I should assign to this. That this was a mistake, and we have to call here the to list. Sorry, it should be to list dot to. Okay. Mhm. Right. Dot value. Oh, sorry, I have called first where, so it shouldn't be. It should not be first where. It just call the where method. Okay. Dot to list. So yeah, it is accessible now. Now let's again give it a restart. So yeah, guys, you can see I have two events, but I have placed the title in the wrong place, as you can see. Let's fix it out. I think I have placed the or wrong place. So title, we have to place the name over here. Yeah, homie event, microwave event. So basically these are the two events that I have joined last time, and in here we have to place the date I think. mm, String date data controller dot joint events I dot get. What I have to get is date. Yeah, so basically it is showing 17 6 and 2020. So we have to remove the 2020 from here, so it just shows 17 and 6. How we can do this? Very simple, just we have to apply some string concatenations. Date equal to date dot split. We have to split this upon this dot, and we have to assign 0 portion, and then we have to copy the same thing, and we have to paste the 1 portion. So this will basically convert or slice the date, right? And also we have to put this dash as well. Yeah, guys, we have done. So just remaining thing is we have to put the user they are registered over here. So I have already did this in the upper part, so I'm just going to copy this widget, joint users. So this is basically the list I have worked on already in the previous videos. So if you have not watched, please watch it. Okay. Okay, so I got the events, and I have to replace few things. So yeah, that's it. Now let's use the widget of the same event. Okay, so basically it's all here. Okay, I have made a mistake. Let's get it back, and then we just have to remove this container. Okay, where is the mistake? Yeah, yeah, got it. I think it's over here. So we just have to replace the widget that I have copied over here, and then all set, just replace this thing, events of I. So yeah guys, hopefully it's done. Let's run it. Guys, app is now running. Let's see the result. And yeah, it's been loaded the user that they have joined. So currently I am the creator, and only I have joined the event, so that is why it is showing my avatar only. And I think we have to remove this part as well, because this is just the event that we have joined. So I think they don't have to be a like, comment and other stuff. So now let's get remove it. Okay, this row. Yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share with your friends, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you.